Hey everybody, it's Ron's Computer Videos Quickie. I knew I should have waited because just like a day after I posted my video about the Macintosh 2-page monochrome display card, the RAM that I bought from UTSource came in. So I thought it might be fun to go ahead and pop this RAM on the card because it does, as you can see, it does have a little bit of RAM built in, but there are some unpopulated sockets here. And supposedly it'll do some new and fun, amazing things if you add RAM to it. So let's put some RAM in and let's see if it does do cool and exciting new things. Extra light on the situation here. None of the RAM appears to be laser etched or remarks. Silicon Insider is really the expert on this, but Bruce from Branches Creations is the one that recommended that I contact UTSource about the RAM. These are all NEC modules. They're D4 126 4C-12, so 120 nanosecond, or yeah, 120 nanosecond memory modules. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap them in here, and then let's take a look and see what it actually does. Always probably a good idea to make sure that your pins are straight before you give this a shot. Some of these are pretty straight, but normally I just give them a little bit of a turn on the table so that way that the pins are facing a little bit. Make sure that I've got the notch oriented correctly. Everything looks good. Give them a press. Make sure that none of the pins are hanging out. Yep, looks good. Let's do the rest. Okay, we have all of our modules installed, and I went through each time and just kind of made sure that we've got, these are like single wipe sockets, so make sure that everything is lined up. We don't have any pins hanging out. Everything seems to be mated on there pretty good. I did have one chip that kind of gave me a little bit of a trouble. Maybe I kind of bent the ends over too much. It's okay. I ordered a couple extras because you just never know on projects like this. So anyway, let's go ahead and let's get the card installed and get the machine booted up and see what added functionality there is. All right, here we are. Let's see. We do have like a little bit of corruption on startup here. Not 100% sure what that's all about, but I guess we'll know here in just 1 second. All right, display's pretty dark too. Let's go to the monitor's control panel. Take a look, see, hey, 16 grays. Oh yeah, hey, it fixed the gamma. So yeah, so hey, previously where we only had 4 levels of gray, we had black and white, and then we had 4 levels of gray. Now we have an option for 16 levels of gray. So that is, if I was doing some sort of pre-press or anything like that for like a newspaper, that would have been really great contemporary to when this card was new. So hey, I really dig that. So I think the RAM ended up costing me just under $20 with shipping. So, you know, I don't think that it was a terrible investment to get 16 grays, especially since I do think that there are some early Mac 2 games that could probably take advantage of this. Maybe Glider. I think Glider was one of those that had like a 16 color mode because you got to think like the LC and then some of those original Mac cards I think were only 16 colors. You really had to pay kind of a premium to get to 8-bit. But anyway, that's it for the moment. I just wanted to share that I had done this upgrade. That's kind of fun. Anyway, everybody have a great day, and as always, Apple II forever.